Hey guys, still worrying about your battery when you're outdoors? No worries. The RugOne Xever 7 series gets you covered. It's the first rugged outdoor smartphone with a swappable battery. It will finally end your battery anxiety. Your battery is running low? No problem. Just flip the back cover open and replace it with a new battery, and within 10 seconds you're ready to go. Swappable battery and forever powered. In the box you get two 5550 mAh batteries, as well as a 4-in-1 innovative charging stand. And it's not just acting as a phone holder, it's charging your phone and your second spare battery as well. And the fourth point, it's also a travel case, so you can fold it together and use it for traveling. So it's your ultimate convenient, eco-friendly and sustainable package. As you can see, the RugOne Xever 7 series is really built for the wild. It's not just IP68 and IP69K certified, it's military standard 810H certified as well. So it survived 14 rigorous tests in challenging environments, including dust, heavy rain, mud and intense cold. So no matter where you are on the planet, the Xever 7 series is your truly reliable companion. Forget the bricks. As you can see, the RugOne Xever 7 series is comparatively slim, comparatively light and way lighter than the typical outdoor smartphones you probably know about. And the next cool thing is the battery cover is exchangeable. So we have two different versions of the battery cover that perfectly fit your occasion, your outfit and your mood you're in. And inside is a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 processor with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. So totally enough place for all your photos and videos. And with a beautiful 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, it's a pure joy to see your photos and videos there. The 50 megapixel main camera delivers incredibly stable pictures and videos with optical and electric image stabilization. Besides that, we have a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing beautiful scenery. To get beautiful selfies, we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And for your really special type of shots, we have a 64 megapixel night vision camera to shoot photos and videos in total darkness. And the cherry on the cake is an underwater camera, so you can shoot some really special footage beneath the surface. For the ultimate convenience, we added an eSIM functionality as well as two physical SIM cards to give you the free choice. Besides that, of course, we have NFC built right in for your daily mobile payments. To find your way out of special situations, we have a really bright torch called Torch X built in. And what helps as well is we support all the typical navigation systems like the GPS, the GLONASS, the Beidou, the Galileo and the Qt ZSS. So everything you need is right in there, so grab yours today. This is not your everyday smartphone. This is basically your entry ticket into your next big adventure. And it's perfectly tailored for you, it's relieving you from battery and anxiety, and it's giving you a really sustainable solution below all the other smartphones out there. So see you out there, buddies.